In this tutorial, we are going to be taking a look at the basic functions in MiX Insight Analyser, which you will use on a daily basis. Once you've logged on, click on Models. We have Events, Fuel, Movement and Scoring. The navigation for each model is the same. To access a model, click on the icon. The data displayed is for all the vehicles and drivers across the whole fleet. The tab is the How-To. Here you have access to a mini help file. To move around between the different sheets, click on the tab Headings. Point and click anywhere to select data. To select more than one field, click and drag. MiX Insight Analyser immediately shows all the field values that are related to the value you have selected. Green means that the data has been selected. White means that the data is linked, so I can select any of these additional fields, and grey means that the data is unlinked. If I click on the grey area, it creates a new selection, and my first selection will be replaced by my new selection. If you want to keep your selection while moving amongst the tabs or within the sheet, click on the lock. You will note that locked cells are now blue. So if a selection is in conflict with a locked selection, it will not be performed. Click on Lock when done. When a selection is made, it will be displayed throughout the other tabs. To see what your current selection is, look at the Selections box or click on Selections. MiX Insight Analyser remembers the last 100 selections, so at any time you can click on Back to view the previous selection or click Forward again if required. Note that the Back and Forward buttons only apply to selections. However, if you have changed the layout, then click the left-facing arrow to undo or the right-facing arrow to redo. If you would like to return to the state that MiX Insight Analyser was in when you first logged on, then click on Clear. A few more functions are available by right-clicking on the object. The functions available will depend on the object, and these functions can include Print, Send to Excel, Export, Minimize or Sort. And this brings us to the end of this tutorial.